Alright, what's up everybody? This is my first unboxing review. I figured I'd give it a shot. Been watching unboxings for a long time, and it's not often that I get something, delivered to me that there aren't already thousands of unboxing reviews for. So here today we got the EM-91CU cardioid microphone, USB mic from Mackie. For those of you familiar, Mackie does some pretty solid things with in the professional audio space. So let's take a look at the box here. We got, let's see what's inside. We got the USB condenser mic, we got a shock mount, and we got a USB type B cable. If we could see here, Element Series EM-91CU USB condenser microphone. They say it delivers immaculate sound reproduction, worry-free reliability every time. So this thing seems like it's really geared for remote meetings, or if you're having any kind of video dialogue or anything like that. It looks like it comes with some professional software. We've got Waveform OEM and Pro Tools First. So let's take a look, see what's going on inside this box. All right, we got our software card. Look at that later. Some more software. We got our owner's manual. Take a look at that. All right, so here comes the fun stuff. We got the microphone wrapped up here. Metal construction on the body. Feels like metal over here. Shows the cardioid pattern right here on the microphone. There's the USB connection for it. Let's see. What else is in here? We got our USB cable. Probably about 8-10 feet. Looks like we got some one of the little adapters here that goes over to isolate any interference from outside. And here we go with our shock mount. This was going to go and attach to the arm that I also just got from Amazon. That's actually a wall mounted arm because I don't have a lot of room on my desk. And it looks like this is just going to slide in like so. I wish it didn't cover up the letters, but I'll keep that logo out there just like that, and we'll be able to check it out and see how it sounds. That's really all there is in the box. Nothing else over here. I'm going to put this down here. I'm going to get it hooked up over at my desk, and we're going to see how this bad boy sounds. All right, now that we just saw what it looked like taken out of the box, we're going to take a look and see how this sounds. Actually, we're going to listen to see how this sounds. Again, we're looking at the Mackie condenser microphone here, the USB EM-91CU. Picked this up on Amazon for about 50 bucks. Came in pretty quickly considering the whole pandemic and everything. I think it was 2 days before it got here. Again, this thing's metal. I'm tapping it right here. You probably heard that. This thing's got a USB connection. It does a 16-bit 48 kilohertz recording on there, and it's just an affordable professional quality condenser microphone. It sounds pretty good. I'll move around here, just going back and forth. You're seeing behind me, just ignore all that stuff. Eventually I'll have a real place to do some reviews on here, but I think it sounds pretty good. I did a couple of tests before this just to hear what it sounded like against my work headset that I use pretty regularly. This is Sennheiser SC30. It's just a single mono headset with a noise canceling microphone. But even on just a couple of tests that I did here for 50 bucks, this is pretty solid. I think I'm going to be pretty happy with this. I'll keep playing with it for the next week or so, 2 weeks, and we'll see what it sounds like. Hopefully, this adds a little bit of depth to my sales calls and my meetings that I have with customers, and it'll make me feel like I'm back on the radio. So all in all, I think this is a win. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.